Cindy A. Lewis here, and this is a little a sidetrack from our crafting channel, but I did get this Misfits Market haul. This is my first time to order from Misfits Market. Misfits Market is like organic produce and sustainable foods that you can order, and they deliver to your house, and you can save all kinds of money on it, you know, from your grocery bill. And so I thought I would give it a try, and I wanted to show you what it was like and how it came packaged in case you were ever wondering about it. Also, I do have a code below. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, but when I refer someone, I do get a kickback from it too, and then you do too, like a $10 off. So if you're looking and liking this, there's a code below in my, in my description down there. Lost for words. But anyway, this is my very first box. And if you're new to my channel, this is not what I normally do, but I think it's good for us to all stay up on what's out there and what's available to us, especially to save some money. So let me open this box up and show you how it comes packaged. So there you go. So it comes with this packaging around it to keep everything cool. So I'm going to open that up, and then there's some ice packs in here. This is called Creative Ice, and it keeps the temperature low. So I'm going to take that off of here and set that aside. I'm out of the frame there. All right, so I ordered mostly produce. This is also all around the inside too. So I ordered mostly produce, and these are blueberries. And they packaged them 9/9. They put a date on there, so I'll show you. And they're really nice. Now, sometimes these are not supposedly perfect, but I don't see anything wrong with these blueberries. And excited to taste them. I didn't buy any produce when I went to the grocery store this week because I knew this was coming. So now this is blackberries. They also packaged on the same day, and so you can see the blueberries or blackberries. So I did order blueberries and blackberries. Well, my tongue's getting twisted there. I ordered some mushrooms. So we like to use those in salads, and then we do saute some vegetables with our meal sometimes, so that is good. And then I did get some red leaf lettuce. Looks really good. There's one ready to eat, I guess. So that looks really nice. All right, let's continue. I did get some celery, and supposedly imperfect. These look just really great to me. So I did get some fresh celery. I ordered some carrots. So I got some carrots. And some more celery. Okay, I did get a squash, and 2 of them. And I ordered a couple of onions, which I don't cook with onions that much, but every once in a while. And these look really great. Nice onions. Everything seems fresh, you guys. Nothing seems, like it's not good. Here are some apples. These are galas. You got 3 for like, I don't know, $1.69 or something. I did get a zucchini. So got that, 2 of those. Nice. And then I got some white potatoes. This will be nice for cooking. And of course, potatoes are not all the same size, so I'll put that here. They do offer meat and seafood also, if you're looking for that. And What is this? These are some nuts. My husband loves that for his snack. So these are cashews, and they are called Grandy Oaks with cashews. So got those, and one more thing I think is all that I got. Oh no, there's something else in there. And I did get these protein bars with Cliff. These are really, really good. They're energy bars, and these are the Sierra Trail Mix. Has peanuts, chocolate, and raisins. And I thought this would be a good snack, so I wanted to try that. Didn't know it was going to be such a big box. That's good. And then I did get some limes, and they smell oh so good. And I believe now I'm at the bottom of my basket with everything rolling over my box, everything rolling over here. So they pack it really nice, and it's cold and fresh. Everything is still cool. And if you're interested in checking it out, please do. There is a link below to save you $10 if you're interested. And let me know what you think, or if you've ever ordered from Misfits Market. Yeah. So check it out. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.